We're going to watch Neil McFarlane, Mr. Con Man himself, talk about or explain what a fare gate is. Don't miss it.
The audience, you want to tell them what a fare gate is?
Yes, so a fare gate is essentially a device that will have a turnstile, essentially, or a turnstile style device that will control access to a MAX platform. This is what we call a hard system. New York City Transit, for example, the subway is like that. The WMATA system, Washington, D.C. is like that. We do not have the capability of doing that everywhere, but it may be in certain platforms where, for example, is grade separation. It may be a an important way to enhance security, so that we make sure the people who are on that platform have a valid fare and a valid reason for being there. And that's, I think, the notion that we really have related to this. And this will be a bit of an experiment, and we'd love to try it and begin to see if it has application elsewhere in the system.
Good.
All right, the Max was installed. I believe it was 1987 or somewhere. I know it's been in for 27 years, and it's taken them 27 years to figure out that they need to close the Max station so that you have to pay before you get on the platform. And he says, oh, we can't do this everywhere. Of course you could do it everywhere if you wanted to. You can spend $30 million on an electronic fare system. You can spend the same amount of money or less to harden your platforms, as you call it. Now, the interesting thing about this is they harden platforms at events. Harden means they put all these gates up, like at the Rose Quarter, and they have all the people funneled through one opening so the fare inspectors can check their tickets as they get off. So they do have the capability of hardening Max platforms. Why they won't do it is beyond me. They say it's too expensive. I don't believe any of that shit. I mean, chain link fence isn't that expensive, okay? They just don't want to do it for one reason or another.